Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing a package from Simply Gothic. But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. Simply Gothic, we love Simply Gothic here at the channel, absolutely adore everything that she does. Amazing jewellery, amazing stationery. I have so much stationery, I had to go and try and find it all because I've been using it so much. I absolutely love it. And today, apparently, this is the stainless steel collection. Now, it has been so hard for me. I've been going on Instagram and sort of trying to like the posts without actually looking at them so that I don't find out what is in my package. I knew that she had a range coming and I just didn't want to, you know, give away the surprise of what's in here. We love everything from Simply Gothic, so I can't wait to see what Kirsty has sent me. Now, if you weren't aware, Simply Gothic is a small business, a unique jewellery stationery provider. She has amazing stuff. It is run by the gorgeous Kirsty, aka Simply Spooky. You can go find her YouTube channel. I will put a link up here in the box above to her channel. Go check out her amazing YouTube channel. She has amazing social media as well. Absolutely adore her, and she's the sweetest person ever. So the full package. So without much further ado, I have this package. Let's get into it and see what beautiful things she has sent me. So I haven't been in, but I did cut the tape already so that you guys didn't have to wait. So what have we got? We have got, as usual, some amazing packaging. She's always really good at packaging her orders. We've got this beautiful red tissue paper. Oh, and we've got a sticker here that says creepy things inside. And actually on the outside of the package, we've got this gorgeous little bat that says delivered by bats on there. I love it. I love it. I love all of those. I think that is a violet moth sticker as well. Absolutely love it. So let's try and get into this. I don't want to tear the sticker because it's so cute. Hi Laura, thank you so much for collabing with me and I hope you love the new collection. Your code is HEAVYMETAL15 for 15% off at Simply Gothic. Thank you so much again, Kirsty. Thank you, Kirsty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it when you send me awesome stuff. I'm so excited to see what is in here. So as usual, the packaging is phenomenal. Oh my God, that's so cute. Okay, so we have a ghost sticker and he is holding a pineapple. Oh my God, that's adorable. My daughter is going to fight me for this. This is so cute. I need to get it on a book quick so that she can't steal it from me because, oh my God, it's gorgeous. Look, 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 look. Tiny pineapple. Absolutely love it. I love all of this, the cutesy stuff that she gets. It's absolutely amazing. So clipped to this package here, as always, the beautiful black and white stripe. We love a Beetlejuice stripe here on the channel. As always, she sent me one of her business cards with all her socials on. I will, of course, put them all here for you and they will be in the description box as well so that you can go check out all of the socials, all of the websites, etc, etc. Let's open the first package. So we're going to open this one first. This is the one that the business card was clicked to. Oh, hang on. Oh, this is new. This is new. Okay. 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 So this is in the bottom of the package and it says, meet the maker. Thank you so much for supporting my business. By shopping small, you allow me to keep doing what I love doing every day and help Simply Gothic to grow. I'm Kirsty and I run Simply Gothic in Hampshire, UK. Being a one-woman business, I design, make, pack and ship all your orders. As someone in the Gothic subculture, I continuously struggle to find unique jewellery and stationery that allowed me to express my style, were good quality and that were also affordable. That's exactly what Simply Gothic created, to help those struggling with the same things. And there is the gorgeous Kirsty. Love it, love it, love it. And then on the back is me. It says, enter our prize draw. Tag us in your product photos using the hashtag MySimplyGothic to be entered into our monthly competition for a chance to win a £25 gift card. That's awesome. I love it. I love it. I will select a winner each month and they will be announced on the Instagram at Simply Gothic. There are no limits on entries as long as the photos are different. So get creative, get tagging and confidently express your unique Gothic style. So get on using that hashtag MySimplyGothic. I love it. I love it. That's so weird seeing a picture of me in here. Love it, love it, love it. Now there's also, oh, excellent, another one of these cute, spooky little ghost pictures, which I love. I have one of these displayed in my kitchen amongst all of our cute and gothy little pictures that we have on the wall. I love this ghost. It's so cute. Absolutely love it. So yeah, I will probably give this one to my daughter because I already have one. But love it, love it, love it. And on the back it has about please tag us in your social media photos as I love to see them. Okay, let's get into actually opening the things now. I still find it really weird. I bumped into somebody at Download and bless her, I didn't get her name. We were looking at some clothes. I think we were in the Disturbia tent and she was like, oh, I love your YouTube channel. And I was a little bit half cut and was so shocked that somebody had recognised me. It took my brain about half an hour to go, you should have had a conversation with her. So I'm really sorry. If I saw you at Download and was a bit weird with you, I'm so sorry. So oh, there we go, Ooh, there's 2 bags in here. I'm going to go for, let's go for the red one first. Okay, as always in these beautiful little organza bags. I love these. Oh yes, and then in these gorgeous little zip up baggies as well to keep them safe. What have we got here? Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my word, I absolutely love it. Look at this, look. It's like a little yin and yang, but it's a ghost. I love it. It's so cute. Oh, that's so different. Oh, I absolutely love it. Oh, it's so cutesy. Again, my daughter is going to be fighting me for this because she loves all the cute stuff. I keep not being able to find things and she's pinched them. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. I love it. Oh, it looks amazing. Oh, brilliant. Such a cute little ghostie. I love the fact that her stuff is really cutesy as well as spoopy. You know, it just, oh, it's so different. Right, what else have we got in here? Oh my word. Oh, right, okay, we're going to go for this one first. Loving all this stainless steel. It's gorgeous. It's, oh my word, I didn't notice the detail on that to begin with. Okay, this is so cool. There has been a lot of thought gone into the design of this. Oh, and I love it. It's on a chunky chain. Oh, I love a chunky chain. Right, so look, it's a butterfly, but the wings are skulls with spider webs on the corner, on the like the edge above the ear. And then the centre of the butterfly is a coffin. That is so cool. That would make an amazing tattoo. I absolutely love it. That is gorgeous. So different. Oh yes, that is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. I love the chunkier chain as well. That's a new one. I really like that. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's going to go with so many things. I can't wait to wear this with so many different tops. I mean, I think this top is a great one for showcasing these kind of things, but oh, it's going to look amazing. I can't wait to show you all the different outfits that I'm going to tag myself in wearing these and using that hashtag MySimplyGothic. This is really cool. This is me. This is exactly, oh, just, yeah, oh my word. You nailed it, Kirsty. You absolutely nailed it. Look at this. So again, it's on the chunky chain, this huge bat. I absolutely love it. I love the way that the wings sit. That's really unusual to have one with the wings sat really sort of like they're in mid-flight like that. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it's got such cute little ears as well. Oh my god, it's adorable. This is so different to anything I've seen before. Wow, Kirsty, you have knocked it out the park with this collection. I'm absolutely adoring it. Everything is so different from the last thing and so different from anything else that I've seen before that you've done, let alone anybody else has done. You are so creative. Oh, and not in a everybody's so creative way. Oh, yes. Oh, I love this. This is going to get worn all the time. Oh, I'm already planning outfits. I can see this will look amazing with like my Mary Wyatt mesh dress and the belt. Yep, I have outfits planned. You just wait. There's going to be lots and lots and lots of social media posts of these. Oh my god, that's so cool. I love the chunky chain as well. It just looks amazing. Wow. Oh my God, you guys, you've got to go and check this stuff out on the website. I absolutely love it. So this one is like a grey and black stripy bag. This has got spooky, spooky ghosty tape. Absolutely loving it. Ooh, right, okay. So we've got red bags and black bags again. So let's pull out the red bags first. Ooh, we have earrings. Okay, so first set. Ooh, I love it. Moons. Love a moon. Ooh, they're nice and chunky too. Ooh, I love it. Ooh, these are going to look fantastic. I've got so many moon themed things, and I have some moon earrings, but they're really little. It was either by the really little ones or those ginormous Killstar ones that I was like, they're going to hurt my ears so much. These are the perfect in-betweeny size. That is a really nice chunky size. Big, but not too big, but definitely, you know, definitely very visible. They are a brilliant weight. I love it. Yeah, I know they're in there, but I'm not in any way uncomfortable with them. But they're not also so light that they keep getting caught around your hair, because that's the problem I have with the little tiny Killstar ones that I have. They're also really weird, the Killstar ones that I have. They're like the moon is facing down, which is a really odd way to do it, I think. But I think they just went for the thickest part of the moon to put the hole through. These sit, as they properly should, as crescent moons. They've got a, like, not too heavy, but they've got enough weight to them that they're there and they're not going to get caught in my hair and stuff like that. I flipping love them. Absolutely phenomenal. Oh, fantastic. Look at this. Look at this. Love, 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 love them. The skulls. The skulls. Oh my God, I'm so, so happy. So, you know me, I love a skull. I have skull rings, skull necklaces. I have I have a skull handbag. I absolutely adore skulls. Honestly, our house is just skull themed. When people are like, you know, what theme would you say your home is? It's skulls. Yeah. All our wallpaper is skull themed. You know, yeah, skulls is the theme of my home. I have many a skull ornament. And now I finally have skull earrings. I flipping love it. Look at them. Again, they've got a really nice weight. They've got little black gem on here. As do the moons, they have a little black gem sort of attaching the skull itself to the hook. Love it. Oh, as always, these hooks are really nice and comfortable. I'm assuming it's the stainless steel collection. They are also stainless steel. Oh, these are so cool. Oh, I finally have skull earrings. It's kind of mad that I didn't have any, you know. Absolutely love them. Oh my God, they are so cool. Oh, they're so cool. Absolutely love them. Right, the last two. Oh my God, that's so cool. Oh my God. Okay, so this is a set. So yes, we have got, oh, it's really delicate. Okay, so we've got a death moth necklace. It's really delicate and pretty. It's all like laser etched out. So where normally it would be like black, she's laser etched out from the stainless steel where the black would be. So, oh, that's so cool. And then we have matching earrings. Absolutely love it. Oh my God, that's so cool. And the matching earrings. Love it, love it, love it. Let's pop these in. Look at these. Oh, I love it. Oh, they're so cool. They're girly, but they're gothy, and they're kind of delicate, but they're also not too delicate. There's something quite chunky about them. Oh, I just love them. Oh, it's so different. Kirsty, you have knocked it out of the park. Absolutely love it. This whole collection. Oh, I can't wait to see what else you've got in the collection, because oh, this stuff is all absolutely beautiful. And I went and had a quick look and I found, I knew I had one, my skull necklace. This is from a previous collection and it goes with these gorgeous skull earrings. They go together perfectly. So that of course appeases the matchy OCD that I have. So I will definitely be wearing all of these together. I absolutely love everything. They are just gorgeous. like I said before, go check out Simply Gothic. She just keeps knocking it out the flipping park. Remember to use that code HEAVYMETAL15 for a 15% discount at Simply Gothic. Go check out all her socials. She is just absolutely killing it on social media at the moment, even with Instagram being rubbish recently. And I mean, even on TikTok, she's absolutely rolling it. So go check her out on all of the things you know you want to, and go spend some cash. Hashtag yourself on that My Simply Gothic hashtag and you could appear too on the page. Absolutely love it. What is your favourite item out of all of these? I think, because it's me, it's the skull earrings. I have been desperate for a pair of skull earrings for a while now. I kept like being like, no, you mustn't, you know, stop buying things. I'm trying to be good. Guys. So failing, but so now I have a pair of skull earrings, but that bat necklace, oh my word, that bat necklace is just phenomenal. But then also these death head moths, I mean, they're just awesome. Everything's beautiful. Beautiful. That little spooky ghost, my daughter is going to be fighting me for that. So I think that's going to disappear fairly quickly from my jewellery collection. So the problem with having spooky kids is they steal all your stuff. So let me know what your favourite item is. Remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that have come up in the video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.